So if you want to run messages ad, you go to your ad manager like this. Click on this plus button here. Click on the plus button. You select the pages. Assuming that you have more than one page, select the page that you want to run the ad to. So there is a lot of pages here. So let me just select the page I want to run this ad to this ad manager. So I will just click on ad manager. So you can see you have changed it to this page. So the objective I will now choose. What is your marketing objective? So the objective I will now choose is messages. Now you click on messages. So when I click on messages, you have to choose the maybe the image or the video that I want to use. You have to choose it here. All your picture will be here. But if you cannot see the one that you want to use, you go to this camera roll. So when you change it to camera roll, you can access to your gallery. So you can choose for your gallery. But I have the picture that I want to use here. Let me just say I want to use this. Sorry. I want to use this image like this. I want to use this image. Then I will click next. I will click here for next. Now, you see the image is too small for I please choose a large. So the image that I choose is not acceptable. So I have to go back to go and change that image now. So maybe I should choose this one. So next. Okay, you accept this one. So message destination. This means that where do you want your message to be delivered? So you want it to be delivered to your WhatsApp. But before you can do this, your page must connect to WhatsApp business. So you have to connect your WhatsApp business with your page before you can run this type of ad. So I click on WhatsApp business. And this headline that is here mean the headline that people will see when they let me type something there so you can understand what I mean. Let me just say join the class now. If you scroll down, you will see preview here. You can wait for a minute, moment. It will preview. You can see this. Join the class now that I wrote. You can see it here now. Assuming that I write another thing at this headings. That's what is going to show there. Let me change it so you can understand better. Then maybe let me just say free class. If you scroll down now, let it preview. Then wait for a moment to preview it. You can see free class. So anything you write at this airline, you will be at the bottom here. So it depends on anything you think of writing there, you can just. So this primary text means the text as in your write up that people will be seeing. So let me go and copy one write up and paste this here. Let me say I want to use this write up. Let me just copy it and go back and paste this there. So this is my write up. Let it preview. Sorry, the network is somehow slow. So the network is slow. But let's just leave that one. We'll check it later. So let's go to placement here. So placement means that where do you want your ad to be shown? The mistake a lot of people made is that they will leave it at automatic like this, which this will be sorry. So when you leave it like this means that you want the look to automatic select your placement for you, which is not good because that will spend you a lot of money. So you go to manual, go to change it to manual. So when you change it to manual, this will give you a lot of chance to do whatever you want to do. So it's a device type. Where do you want your ad to be displayed? You can choose only on desktop or only on mobile phone. But I will remove this desktop because a lot of people use mobile phone. They don't use laptop to go on Facebook. So I will choose mobile phone only. I will just click on mobile phone only. So platform. Do you want to your app your ad to show on Facebook, Instagram, and network and messenger? But sometimes I don't know all these things. Maybe I just want to run the ad on Facebook only. So I will just go ahead and cancel everything here. Everything here. I will go ahead and cancel everything here. I will go to Messenger and cancel it. I will go to Facebook and uncheck some of them. Maybe I don't want it to show on here. I don't want it to show here. I want it to show here. Story, marketplace, I don't want it. I don't want it here also.
Leader, pause. The camera.
I dey do something abeg.
Okay.
So you will check out the rest and leave these three. So, but assuming that I want you to apply on Instagram also, so you can just go to your Instagram. Maybe you want to it to apply on Instagram feed, maybe an Instagram story, but feed is only okay for Instagram for you to not waste your money. So you click on that alone. So I think we are done with our manual setting and click on it like this. You can see this is the write-up that I copied that time. See more. This is the write-up I copied that time. And this is where how my ad will look like. If I run it now, this is how it will look like. So we are done with this part. Let's move to another one, another part. You click next. Now, audience. Like me now, I have a lot of audience here. I have Abbey, I have this one, I have this one. Assuming that I've already have audience, I will just click on this Abbey. So I don't need to target my audience again. I will just use this already audience save I have here. So I will just use this one. But for you that I don't have any audience, that you have saved already. So you just go to create new audience. So create new audience. You set your age. Maybe it depends on the market you want to sell. You just check the range of the people that can afford to buy the market. You just set age, gender. If something that is only made for man, you just click on man alone. If it's something that is just made for a woman, you just click on a woman. But assuming that it's not is product that man can buy it and woman can buy it, you just click all like this. So what next? So here now, including people who match this and that. So this where you will now do your details, details targeting. So let this one be click like this. So you go here, your location. Sometimes this location may not be in Lagos, may not be in Nigeria, or it may not be in Lagos. So what you have to do now is you can edit it. Maybe I want to remove this logo. I'll just edit like this. I want to target Nigeria. I will write Nigeria. I want to target Kano. I will target Kano, Nigeria. So it depends on the city that I want to target in. I want to target Lagos with Kano, Lagos. I can target only Lagos, Kano, or I can add Kwara. So it depends on the state or the place that I want to target. You can just list down, click here like this. Set your age, set your gender. Now you go to detail my this. Let this one be on click like this, and go to the first one. So here is where you will now target people that you want to target. Now maybe I want to sell product like digital marketing, or I want to sell something. Maybe I want to sell one product like this. I can just assuming that you want to sell like furniture or real estate. You can just write real estate. You can see, click there like this. Property, you click it. Real time strategy, all those things all those relative stuff like that, you just click there. Okay, I want to target people that used to buy from Facebook. You go to engage, 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 engage shopper. This one, you go for them like this. You can also target how is it called? Shopping, online shopper, online shopping. You can target this one. You add it. Go again. Target what is it called? Facebook and people will buy. You can target Facebook admins. It depends on the product you want to share. So you just know the category of people that you want to target. So after you're done with this one, you can go to advanced like this. It's select your language. If there's one particular language you want to select, you select it here. But normally you can just leave it. It will be in English, so you don't need to show. You click on you click it like that. Here So here we set your amount that I want to spend, maybe it's per day or per, so you set your amount here. After that you just click here, this last mark here, you click it and your ad will be run, but I don't want to run this ad, so I will just cancel it back. So that is all for this what is it called, messages ad. So thank you.